You know, I get calls all the time where people ask me, "Hey, Deonte, how beneficial will a trade line be for me?" And people have, different reasons why they'll come, say they want it, they need to boost their credit score. And I tell people a lot of times, a trade line is great for you to purchase. And if you need to get it to boost your score, that's great. But here's the problem. You'll see a lot of videos out here with a lot of people telling you, how to get a trade line, how it can be beneficial, how it can shoot your credit score. But this is probably the fundamental problem with that whole thinking of just shooting your score up. What people always have to realize is that if you get that trade line for your particular business, right, or if you get it for yourself, regardless, the focus is not to get just your score up. The focus needs to be, what do you need the credit for? What I mean by that is, if you're looking to get a car, you're looking to buy a house, you're looking to get some kind of business lending, you need to make sure before you purchase that credit line that may increase your credit score, what the lender that you want to borrow money for, what is their focus? Because what happens is, a lot of times people don't realize you can have over 700, 750 score, and you still get denied for loans. You can't even have a higher score than that. And the reason why you get denied for that is because the lender has to focus on something else. They may be looking at your debt to income ratio. They be looking at the industry that your business is in. They may be looking at the collateral that you have, and you're going there. You bought this trade line. Your credit score shot up, and you're going there with your chest poked out, and then you come out with your head bent down because you got told no. And again, you have to find out before you do anything what the lender needs to see for the particular situation that you're trying to get funding for. Okay, so again, I don't want people to, be so hell bent on, let me get these trade lines, because you see these videos, your score shoot up. If you pay for this and do that, it will happen, trust me. But that doesn't mean you're going to get any kind of money. Okay, so again, remember, the best thing to do is find out the individual that you want to get money from, and with the purpose that you're trying to get the funding for, what do they require? Okay, again, this is Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Make sure you go to Mr. Short Dollar, follow us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel where we talk about personal finance, business, entrepreneurship, and real estate investing. Hey, stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to have a couple more coming down the pipe in regards to trade lines, how to acquire them, and talk a little bit more in depth in regards to that. But I do want to kind of put that out there. You want to find out what the lender wants to see, as opposed to be so quick to get all these different kind of remedies that you think is the right thing to do. Take care of yourself.